thanks for tuning in. I'm Sam with Accufire Technology. Today's video is going to be unboxing the Accufire Noctis V1 full kit. We're going to go over what's in the box and ultimately how to get it set up for your weapon system so that you can get out and start hunting. Okay everybody, so what we have here is the Noctis V1 full kit. You can order this through many of our dealers as well as through our website. So go ahead and open it up. And we've got our instruction manual here. This covers most of your technical questions as well as your basic setup features. If you have any questions, always refer back to this. It's got a lot of good info in there. If you don't find the answer you're looking for, feel free to reach out to us and we can get you set up with whatever answer you need. First item is going to be the Noctis V1. So this is a 1:16 optical zoom. It's a digital day and night vision sight. Uses infrared technology for after dark visibility. It's got a basic mounting system. Attaches via a 12mm wrench to any Picatinny rail system. Next we have our IR mount. And this is actually in two pieces, so when you get this, you can unscrew this, remove this piece, and then this is your wind and elevation adjustable IR mount. If for whatever reason you want to mount something on top of your infrared light, that's what this piece is for. You simply remove the top ring from this and replace it with the top ring from here, and you end up with a light mount that has a secondary Picatinny rail above it. You may find that useful depending on what kind of accessories you like to run with your rig. This is the V300 infrared light. It's focusable from spotlight to floodlight simply by turning the head. And it runs off of one 18650 battery, which is included in your kit. To get this set up, simply untwist the tail cap. Place the battery in positive side first. Reattach your tail cap. Be careful because there is a little rubber O-ring in there to keep it weatherproof. You want to make sure that that stays intact. In order to test your light, simply turn it on and you'll be able to look down and see that red glow at the base. That's how you know that the light is functioning. There is not a visible light spectrum from this, being infrared. If you're going to be hunting for an extended period of time, we offer an extender for our IR light, which allows you to run a secondary 18650, which is available for purchase from our website or any of your dealers. To use that piece, you simply attach it to the back of the light, put in two 18650 batteries, positive first, attach your tail cap, and you're ready to go. We also include an eye box, which attaches to the rear of your scope. If you have any issues with glare or you're hunting in possibly a dark blind or someplace where you don't want any sort of backlight, you can attach this to the back of the scope and that gives it just a little bit more of a shadow to keep that glare down. This is a lens cleaning cloth, works for the front screen as well as your objective lens. This is the Microusb cable. This is what you'll use to attach the scope to your computer for an update, as well as to run it off your external battery pack if you chose to buy one of those with your full kit. It simply attaches in the port here that says USB. You lift that flap open and it plugs in right there. The two shades that come with your Noctis V1 full kit are a light diffuser for running at night. If you have, it's a little bit too bright and you need to take down some of the light source, the red lens can be placed on the front of the Noctis V1 like so, and that'll cut down on some of the light intake if you're running into a situation where it's too bright. The second acts as a traditional sunshade for daytime hunting. Again, if the light transmission is a little bit too bright, you can put that on there and it'll cut down on some of that. Lastly is the 123 batteries that come with your Noctis V1. Comes with 4. These are rechargeable batteries, and you recharge them using the charging harness that's provided with your V1 full kit. These 4 micro USB ports plug into the battery's top side, or excuse me, the positive side, just like that. And then you can plug this USB into any external battery pack or USB wall adapter. Lastly is our external battery and charger. If you chose to purchase this, it'll be in your kit. You charge it via the micro USB port. Into any USB adapter or computer with a USB port. You'll also receive a micro SD card in your Noctis V1 full kit. This is a 32 gigabyte card. To install it, you simply take your scope and the TF flap here. You pull that back, and this one's already got the micro SD card in there. To remove it, you simply push down on it. To reinstall it, put it in, push in till it clicks, and then put your flap back on. We recommend not using anything larger than a 32 gigabyte card. That concludes the unboxing of everything that comes in your Noctis kit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below or via email at info@accufiretech.com. Thanks for joining us, guys. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. If there's anything that you'd like us to feature on a video, reach out to us via email or in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.